If you're an e-commerce business and you struggle with consistent sales, this is for you, because 95% of brands don't understand this basic concept. When you understand it, you're gonna crush sales. Here's how most brands try and make sales. They try and get attention through videos, social media, ads, events, referring, SEO. They think they post something on social media and it's gonna drive sales. Sometimes it does, but most of the time it does not. Like 99% of the time it does not do that. It's very rare that you see a brand that drives sales from social media organically. So this is where most people focus on. They focus on trying to get attention and then trying to sell to that attention. That's what they focus on. Here is where the money is at. Getting data. Every business in the world must collect data. I'm talking about emails and phone numbers. When you've got that and you're growing your business, you're more appealing to investors because you've got a lot of data they can sell to. So your job as a business is to get the attention, and once you've got that attention, you get their data. You need their data. Once you've got their data, their phone numbers or their emails, you can start communicating with them all the time, because I tell you what, the algorithms in social media, all they want is for you to pay them ads. So therefore, if you're just literally driving ads, they're gonna put the price up, the price up, the price up, the price up, right? It's gonna cost you more and more money to acquire that customer, which is gonna kill your profit. Get their data. If you've got their data, you can email them all day long, because as long as you've got a good open rate, you're gonna get into the inbox all the time. If your deliverability is high, you're in the inbox all the time. You have control of your sales. Then you'll know month on month, if you're sending 10,000 emails, how many sales you're gonna make on average. So this is how you build your business. You do all the shit you like right now, the attention stuff, the stuff that gets your attention, then you get their data. You get their data, and you do that by making a big promise. The easiest way is having the best, unbelievable pop-up on your website ever. Never think about, I've discussed this before in videos, don't think about, okay, I'll give 10 or 20% away because I don't want it to kill my profit. You have to think about your customers as long-term value. What are they going to give you back over a 12-month period? If you focus that way, you're happy going, here's 50% off your first order, here's buy one, get one free, here's a free product, just cover shipping. By doing that, you get data, and then you can target that data and create sales. It's here. Attention, data. Data, data, data. It's so fucking important. Data. And then sell to that data. Don't try and get attention and try and sell to that attention. Get the attention, get their information, and sell constantly to that information you've got. Do that and you'll increase sales in your e-commerce business. I promise you that. Go do it. Crush sales.